We believe the recent action of the federal government is in response to the release of the 2018 National Youth Tobacco Survey. The findings of this survey were very, very concerning. They showed a significant increase in the number of youth who are now using electronic cigarettes. The FDA has specifically stated that they will clear the market of flavorings, including mint and menthol. Flavorings like fruity flavorings, mint and menthol, are particularly important when we look at the issue of youth tobacco use and youth smoking. It's well known that these flavorings make the products more attractive and more likely for youth to experiment with them. In the interim, there's a lot of things that states can do to continue to make progress and to continue to address these very concerning rises in youth electronic cigarette use. States can follow the lead of Michigan and ban flavorings on their own. We saw Michigan do that. We've seen news reports that Washington and New York are making plans to take similar actions. But you can also do things that you've been doing for a long time. Most states have some form of clean indoor air laws or policies. Make sure that electronic cigarettes and vaping products are included in those laws and policies. All states have some form of taxation of tobacco products. Taxing tobacco products is extremely effective in keeping kids from starting to smoke. The cost of tobacco products is a major driver in discouraging youth tobacco initiation. Make sure that you're applying those same taxes to electronic cigarettes. We suggest using an ad valorem tax or a tax on the value of the product, but we'll be providing more information about the different options in an upcoming release. Recently, a lot of states have been experimenting with Tobacco 21 legislation, making it illegal to sell tobacco products to anyone under the age of 21. We think that's very promising. We encourage states to continue to work on that, and we are looking forward to seeing what the level of impact is that that will have. Finally, we all need to continue to monitor and follow what the Food and Drug Administration does in its next steps. It's very important that they address flavorings, and it's particularly important that they address all flavorings, including menthol, which has been very contentious in the past. The FDA also has a significant number of other regulatory powers, and we hope they'll use some of them. They have the powers to regulate how these new tobacco products are advertised, and they have the power to regulate where and how they're sold. We at ASTHO and across state public health departments are very concerned and saddened by the recent illness and deaths from vaping-related pulmonary diseases. We're also really concerned about the increased use of e-cigarettes in general by youth. We're encouraged by the federal action, but we know that states will continue to be on the front line in the push for even stronger and more effective interventions. Thank you.